So today I have got an exciting video and I have got the Soap and Glory Advent Calendar to unbox for you guys. This is a 24-day Advent Calendar, I think. I'm sure it is. A 24-day Advent Calendar. This costs £43 something, £43.20. It is a 24-day, like I said, and it works out at £1.80 a day. This is available now on Boots. I normally unbox the Soap and Glory one. I love the packaging of this year's. It's very Christmassy, like Christmas colours, pink and red. I just love it. And we're going to unbox it and see whether we think it's worth it. So this is what it looks like here, and then if you open it up, it's like a hat box design, and it's literally like that, which I quite like. I like that it's like that. I think it's quite fun. Yeah, and like I say, it works out at £1.80 a day, and we're just going to unbox it. So we want day number 1, which is here. It's a big massive bow, got a big massive bow on it. Have a look what we've got in day number 1. We have got the Soap and Glory Speed Plump Sheet Mask. This is a really nice one. It's a hydrogel mask, if I remember rightly. Yeah, I'm sure we got this in last year's and I tried it and I really liked it. So yeah, that is a good little day. So that was day number 1. Day number 2, which is here, is Discover Today's Magic. So we have got a lip mask. I'm not the biggest fan of lip masks, but I did have really bad dry lips the other week, and I put a lip mask on and it done wonders. So if you suffer with dry lips, I can understand why there's a market for them, but that is it there. I feel like they're worth £1.80 a day. I'm sure their sheet masks are not the cheapest. So yeah, that was day number 2. We want day number 3, which is this one here. Whoop. Today's Christmas surprise, it says. We have got the roller ball, which I really like, and it's the original pink Soap and Glory scent. You cannot beat. Oh yeah, you cannot beat the original pink Soap and Glory scent. It's on another level. Beautiful. I love Soap and Glory scent. So that was day number 3. I think that's a good day. I love perfume though. We want day number 4. We have got the Vanilla Licious Body Butter. I don't know whether I've had this. Oh, that is really vanilla-y. If you like vanilla, you like that. And it's 50ml, so I feel like that's a good size. And I must admit, Soap and Glory body butters are lovely. They're like something else, aren't they? They're like what I like in a body butter, to be honest. 4, we want day number 5. Here it is. Here you do have little pocky holes there to help you get them out. We'll cover the surprise. Ooh, we've got another perfume. We have got a Velvet Cherry Rollerball fragrance, and it's a 10ml. I love perfume. I love perfume. I will always say it. Oh, that's nice. It's got a bit of depth to it, that. Yeah. Very happy with that bee. As you guys know, I love perfume. Wouldn't say it's as nice as the original Soap and Glory scent, but it's really nice. Number 5. We want day number 6, which is this one here. Scrub Life chooses me, so we're going to get a scrub, aren't we? We have got the Vanilla Licious Body Scrub, and this is 50ml. It comes in a tube. Oh, it smells just as vanilla-y as the body butter as well. So you cannot complain about that. We want day number 7, which is here. Open for Christmas charities. Oh, we've got the Velvet Cherry body wash. So I wonder if this is this year's Christmas scent. This Velvet Cherry. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Can't wait to be smelling like that. That was 7. And day number 8, which is here. We have got the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash. And that is it there. I don't know whether I've used that. I did get it in last year's. I don't know whether I give it to my niece. So that was 8. We want day number 9, which is one of these triangular ones on the side. It's light as a feather, it does. Right, let's have a look. I love body care though, you know, like I'm kind of stuck in my ways with makeup. Oh, we have got a nail file. It is the most cutest little glass nail file. Yeah, like the ones you get in the Ted Baker advent calendars, but in like Christmas packaging. So that's cute. I will probably put that in my bag if I'm being honest. Alright, that was 9. We want day number 10, which is up here. Surprise time, it says. We have got the Clean On Me body wash, 75ml, so the like original scent. Oh, yeah, basically the original scent. Oh, honestly, that is just beautiful. That was day number 10. We went to day number 11, which is down here. We have got the Call of Fruity Refreshing Body Wash. Call of Fruity. Let's have a look at this then. Oh, that's nice too. Oh, that's like I would use that now because it's summery. That's nice. I might be going on holiday before Christmas, so that may end up going with me on holiday. So that's 11. We went to day number 12, which is here. We have got the righteous, you know what that is. Righteous body butter. I'm assuming in the original pink scent. Yep. And this is 50ml. Oh, that's nice. So nice. And that is day number 12. Day number 13, which is here. We have got the Call of Fruity hand cream. These are the only things like I won't really use. If you are my long time subscribers, you know I can't use like the hand creams and things like that. Just because my hands are so sensitive, but I'm sure it probably will smell really summery and nice, like that summery one. Yeah, so that was 13. We went day number 14, and if you haven't already, I would love if you subscribe. If you don't know, I do advent calendar giveaways in October and November, and yeah, I don't swatch every product in my videos because a lot of the products I do give away because how many advent calendars I unbox, I couldn't physically use that many products and it's wasteful. So yeah, I do advent calendar giveaways, so I would love you to subscribe and give my Instagram a follow because I do share advent calendars that are available on my Instagram. I haven't yet, but I do normally. So that's day number 14 in any way, and we have got another sheet mask, and it is the Fab Pore Biodegradable Pore Refining Sheet Mask, and that is it there. So you cannot go wrong. I do like Soap and Glory sheet masks. I have to admit I do. And that was 14. Day number 15, which is here. And if you heard that noise, that was my phone. It makes farty noises. Yeah, because I'm a child. 15, and we have got the limited edition Velvet Cherry Body Butter. I'm so excited about this Velvet Cherry scent. Oh, that is absolutely on another level. Beautiful. That was 15. We want to day number 16, which is here. We have got another sheet mask, and it is the Right and Beautiful biodegradable brightening sheet mask for dull, lackluster skin. This is what I need, definitely. This is what I need. My skin is definitely dull and lackluster at the minute. So yeah, very excited about that. That was 16. So we went 17, which is here. We have got the hand food. This is the original scent as well. Yeah, like I say, I don't really use their hand creams, but I've heard lots of people love them, but I'm very careful what I use on my hands. Ooh, that was 17. Went day number 18, which is here. We have got the Vanilla Licious Body Wash, and I'm assuming it'll probably just smell just as nice as that vanilla. Oh yeah, if you love vanilla, you will love that. It's just straight up nice vanilla scent. Yeah, I like that. That was 18. We want date number 19. Is here. We have got the Heel Genius. I do really like this, mind you. I think this is a good one. 50ml size as well. I think everyone's tried it, and I think everyone raves about it. It is good. So that was 19. Day number 20, which is up here. I can't believe it's coming to the end. I love Advent calendars. I really do. I do. I'm trashing the box on this one. Oh, this is different. Oh, I'm so happy we've got this in like this type of packaging. Oh my god, this is like my favourite day. This is the original pink fragrant mist, and it is, oh yeah, so rose and bergamot. Is that the original pink scent? It's 50ml. This is like perfect for my work bag. I'm so excited about this. Let's have a spray. Yeah, it's the original pink scent. Oh, that is my favourite day. Favourite day. We'll have to wait to day number 20 for that. I would want that as my first day. Right, so that was day number 20. We went day number 21. Making a squeaky noise coming out. We have got a little like diamond shaped bath fizzer. It smells lovely in the original pink scent. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So that was 21. On day number 22, which is here, we have got the Scrub of Your Life, the original one. Love this stuff. Everyone loves that stuff. It's a bestseller for a reason. So that's 22. We went 23. I can't believe we're coming to the end. I'm so sad. We have got another cheap mask. It is eye masks, which is definitely up my street. We have got the Puff Eye Attack ones. They're under eye brightening hydrogel patches. Fab. Absolutely fab. 23. Went 24. We have got like in this like hexagony one. You know what? I'm so sad. It's come to an end. We have got another body mist, and we have got it in the, it's a secret Santa coming soon. Oh my god, they cannot do that to us. How can they do that to us? That's so mean. It's a secret Santa and they're not telling you what it is. Oh, that's nice. It says, grace the mist shamelessly, float gracefully, sachet into a raspberry bouquet. I can't believe they've done that here. It's nice. It's very floral. I mean, it's a bit of fun, but like, so that is going to be obviously coming out around Christmas time, I'm imagining, or just after Christmas time. I can't believe they've done that. I think it's so fun. So that is the Soap and Glory 24-day Advent calendar. You know what? I think sometimes Soap and Glory gets quite a bit of beef for being about nearly £50 when you compare some £50 calendars. But you've got to think every product, even the nail file, is a usable, good, decent product. And when you work it out per day, £1.80, I think every day is worth it in my opinion. And I will use 90% of the items in this Advent calendar, which I cannot say for every Advent calendar. So I'm absolutely over the moon. I love that they've put more fragrance in. Just because fragrance is just my cup of tea. Like, absolutely my cup of tea. So, yeah, I'm so happy with this. I think it's definitely one to pick up. I know the Soap and Glory one normally sells out fast. So, I definitely think if you want it for your niece, granddaughter, for yourself, I would grab it now. The lipstick I'm wearing, because I do sometimes get asked this. This is a Lancome one. And I will link it down below if I can. It is a La Reluce Rouge in 888 French Idol, and it's a drama ink, so it's matte but just like inks on your lips. But yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this Advent calendar unboxing. I do have the Rehab Advent calendar will be coming up over the next few days. I do have a few others as well. I hope you enjoyed this, and anyways, if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe down below, give me a hype, like all that jazz, just so my videos can be seen, because I haven't been on YouTube for a while, so I think my algorithm is off. And yeah, and follow my Instagram. I would absolutely love it if you followed my Instagram. I will be doing a Instagram giveaway as well in the month of November and October too. Yeah, so I will see you all in my next one. Bye.